This high-end corner townhome blends access to top tech companies with privacy and convenience. Inside, the bright, open interiors flow into a private patio and feature details like wood floors, Anderson windows, and a kitchen with quartz countertops and Bosch appliances. One bedroom on the main level can convert to an office, while upstairs await 2 bedrooms with walk-in closets, including the master suite. The sought-after community offers a secure, serene, and friendly setting with many excellent amenities. Next door are the facilities of the JCC. Close by are beautiful parks, abundant shopping and dining options, and top-rated Palo Alto schools. This prime location is also within moments of world-class amenities and many of the Bay Area's top attractions.